पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदी आणि आपल्या फुडारपणाखाला खंयचोच तरणाटो बेरोजगार उरचो न्हय. दीनदयाळ उपाध्याय ग्रामीण कौशल्य योजनेवरवीं तरणाट्यांक प्रशिक्षण मेळूं येता आणि फक्त सरकारी नोकरेची वाट पळोवपा परस करियर संद सोदून काडपाक मेळटा म्हूण मुखेलमंत्री डॉ. प्रमोद सावंत उलयल्यात. RDX ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
As highlighted in the concept note, the more than 2,200 candidates will be completing training in the April 2026 and over 900 by May 2026, making the placement readiness to the top priority. As a result, the large number of the trained candidates are ready for the placement in the coming months. And this meet is timely step to ensure that the every trained youth finds the right opportunity. In a single words, it is DDU GKY 2.0 is a flagship program of the Government of India aimed at providing the skill training to the rural youth, ensuring the sustainable employment opportunities, supporting the youth from the economical weaker background. Under these schemes, the youth between the 18 to 35 years training is completely free of cost. Minimum 70% of the job placement is ensured. Opportunities are available within Goa, across India and abroad. Youth receiving the certifications, career guidance and the post-placement support. This initiative is definitely the life-changing opportunities for our youth. I'm proud to say that the Goa is the first state in India to launch DDU GKY 2.0 effectively. So far, the 18 project implementing agencies have been empaneled. 12 training centers across the North Goa and South Goa is already operational. Over the 1,200 youth have enrolled, and the target of the 2,500 youth training has been set for this financial year. And for another 2 financial years, the 12,000 youths will be trained by these placements. We plan on achieving the 70% of the placement. This reflects our government's proactive commitment and vision for the empowerment of our Yuva Shakti, ensuring that their employability increase. Our priority is clear, and youth from the BPL families, the Antoday beneficiaries, Manrega households, and the self-help group members, the women, Divyangjan, valuables communities. Our goal is very clear. No youth should be left behind, and we want to ensure that every deserving youth gets an opportunities to grow and succeed. At the same time, and we are also encouraging our youth to becoming the job creators. Youth are encouraging to start the ventures in the tourism and hospitality, the food and catering services, the logistic and transport, digital and service-based entrepreneurship. I urge all the employers present here come forward and partner with us. Trust the talent of our youth and help us to build the strong employment ecosystem. Together, we can transform the lives. To the youth of Goa, I say, this is your opportunity. Step forward with a confidence. Believe in your potential. Your government is with you at every steps. Let us all work together and to ensure that no youth remain unemployed, no talent get unnoticed, and no efforts goes unrevived.